Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Japan. Business structure and company formation procedure in Japan. Sole proprietorship, company formation Japan. Foreign company establishment. Sole proprietorship. It is less complicated and requires less tax until the business reaches a certain amount of profit. It is a business run and owned by individual. It can use a commercial name but does not separate its owner and the business, meaning thereby all profits or loss and the assets or debts of business is sole responsibility of individual. There is no legal obligation for mandatory registration to become sole proprietor, hence once decided to start a business can start trade or business. Company formation Japan. Sole proprietorship, journal and limited partnership, corporation, limited liability company. Types of company formation in Japan: KK and GK. Foreign company can have either representative office, subsidiary company or branch office. Representative office. It is a simple fact of having a physical office space located somewhere in Japan and there is not any required procedure to register it officially. It is not allowed to engage in commercial activities or generates profits locally, but the activities like providing information to parent company, advertising and publicity, market research, etc. kind of activities allowed to do being RO by Japanese government. It is not subject of paying corporate tax. It is not possible to open a bank account under the name of the parent company. Only a personal account under the name of representative can be opened, but the account holder's name can be followed by the company's name. Subsidiary company. Foreign parent company is divided into two parts, subsidiary and the branch. Subsidiary are flexible, 100% local Russian company and independent structure, while branch companies are partially independent, local structured and can do business in Russia. Branch office. Documents required for establishing branch office in Japan. Firstly, affidavit certified by country's embassy or consulate in Japan or public notary of the company where the foreign company is registered. Secondly, seal certificate or signature attestation of representation in Japan. Thirdly, branch office official seal. Process and steps to be adhered for incorporating company in Japan. First, find an office address. 2. Prepare the article of incorporation and notarize the AOA. Third, deposit the capital. Fourth, preparing documents for the company's registration. And fifth, filling the application for the company's registration. It cost minimum 1,50,000 yen for KK and 60,000 yen for GK. Sixth, registration certificate issued. And seventh, obtain tax and social insurance registration. Conclusion. The compliance and regulatory framework of Japanese law for any form of business structure is not difficult to fulfill, provided initial requirement like obtaining bank account and representative director might cause problem, which in a nutshell required local link up to set up business here in Japan. Otherwise, the growth of Japan is always attracting the foreign investors in huge number due to welcoming less burden of compliance and regulatory framework with good corporate governance and labor force. Thank you.